someone tell us why this worksheet would be a good way to assess students? Dan?
Because it teaches them different number patterns, such as, like the first one teaches them going up by odds. The second one going by fives.
Okay.
And the last, I wasn't sure, but the last one goes up, like each one is +1, +2, +3.
It's like the triangle.
Yeah.
So you said that these were more like number patterns. What was different about this worksheet than the other activities that you did?
I wouldn't really say it's that much different. Just the difference is, like you're using shapes for the first one, but the numbers are still the same. I mean, the pattern's still the same exact thing.
We're using like skip counting and stuff like that.
So like the worksheet moved students away from the conceptual knowledge and more towards the procedural because it went more abstract. It took away the shapes and replaced it with numbers, which allowed them to see like the relationship between different numbers.
And if you notice on that worksheet, there's rules that they have to follow when filling in the blocks. I mean, in the boxes.
So if you turn just one more page, it's basically a number road's the same thing, but it's empty. So now what we would do, it would be like an extension. The kids would create their own number road and pattern, however they would like. So they would make up their own based off of the previous worksheet, the pattern box that we used, and just basically filling in the number road however they would like based on the worksheet that we just talked in the last lesson.
So the object of this would be like them creating their own rules for number patterns. I really like that.
Yeah, it's good.
And last.
So last, we just have a couple questions to ask you. We need to like create a discussion. Why do you think we learn patterns? Morgan?
Because it leads to understanding rules, and then the rules lead to understanding equations that we use in algebra.
Okay, and what do you need to be able to know between the numbers in order?
The relationships.
Good, the relationship.
So then you can start to understand the relationship.
Okay, so where else do we see patterns?
This is like a good way to relate it to the students' lives. Where do you see patterns?
So besides the classroom, we're saying like.
How would you relate patterns to students' lives?
So where do we see patterns?
Is there a specific?
Yeah.
In clothes.
In clothes. What do you mean in clothes?
Well, like, let's say you have like a striped shirt, and they're the same color, like black, white, black.
Okay. Sam?
Well, Amanda said the days of the week. And then I said like the seasons, how it's like the same order every single time.
Okay. Yeah, good. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, good.
That was great.